Minecraft Realms not working, don't smash your setup just yet. This video will guide you through easy steps to check if it's down and what you can do about it. First, check the official Minecraft launcher. Sometimes, Mojang displays important announcements right there, including realm outages. Look for any red banners or alerts. Next, head over to Twitter, search for Mojang status. They usually post updates on any widespread issues affecting Minecraft services. See if there's any recent mentions of realms being down. Now, visit a website like DownDetector, search for Minecraft Realms. This website aggregates US reported issues, giving you a quick overview of whether others are experiencing the same problem. A big spike in reports usually means something's up on Mojang's end. If the official channels seem clear, try refreshing your Minecraft client. Head to the Realms tab and click the refresh button. Sometimes, it's just a temporary connection glitch on your side. If all else fails, a classic solution: restart your computer and your internet router. This can resolve any local network problems that might be preventing you from connecting to the Realms server. Hopefully, these steps helped you troubleshoot your Realm connection. Remember to be patient, server issues happen. Subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks.